Hello everyone and welcome to Saffron at Home. My name is Nitesh and I'm executive chef of Saffron. Today we're going to make chicken biryani. Let's see what we've got here. Got this recipe list with all the ingredients and procedure. We got rice, we got marinated chicken, we got whole garam masala for the rice. We've got some chopped coriander, mint and fried onions for the garnish. And this one here, we've got saffron, cream, ghee, everything mixed in here. What you'll need is a ladle to pot with biryani and a strainer to strain the rice. We'll wash this rice 3 times and let it soak for about 15 to 20 minutes. We got our rice here washed 3 times. We're going to leave it for 15-20 minutes and we'll start boiling the rice. We're going to add this garam masala. And 2 tablespoons of oil. We'll wait for the water to boil before we pour the rice in. Meanwhile, we'll drain the rice. The water is now boiling. Just put the rice in. We need to cook the rice for about 70%. This might take up to 5 minutes. Meanwhile, we'll start with the chicken cooking. Another pot, we'll put the chicken in. We'll make sure we put all the masalas in there. We give it a good stir. Now the idea is to not to cook the chicken, but to heat the mixture. Make sure you leave this on a high flame. Now our rice is about 70% cooked. We're going to add this to the chicken. When you strain the rice, make sure you take out as much as water possible. Once this is done, you make sure you level the rice and reduce the flame to medium. Now you add this mixture. And add a bit of mint, coriander and fried onion. Rest you leave it for the garnish. Now you have to seal the pot with a silver foil. Make sure you seal it properly so that no steam leaves the pot. And then put the lid on the top, push the pot back to the flame and cook for about 5 minutes on a high flame. After 5 minutes, reduce the flame to low and cook for another 30 minutes. Keep turning the pot in every 10 minutes just to make sure there's even heat on all the sides. Oh guys, it's been 30 minutes. The biryani should be ready. Let's open and check it. You can see the biryani, the chicken is cooked properly. The rice has got the color. And there's a very good aroma as well. We'll start plating it. We're going to finish it with the leftover garnish. That chicken biryani is ready. There's so much of aroma in it. I can smell the fried onions, the fresh mint, the saffron. Really nice. Thank you for watching Saffron at Home. Until next time, enjoy your meal.